Okay, everyone, look out the window. We are finally going up the mountain. See all that white snow on the trees? It looks like someone put sugar everywhere.
Yes, Tom, it's so pretty. I can't wait to get out of this car. My legs are tired from sitting so long.
Mom, how much longer? I want to jump in the snow right now. I'm going to make the biggest snowball ever.
Me too! I want to make a snowman with a big belly and a funny face. Max can be our helper. Right, Max?
Max says yes. But boys and girls, remember, no running on the ice. Last time we went to the snow, you both fell down 3 times.
That was because the ground was super slippery, Dad. This time I will walk like a penguin. Watch me. Waddle, waddle, la. Waddle.
You look funny, Sam, like a fat penguin. I'm going to walk like a bunny. Hop, hop, hop.
Okay, little animals, save your energy. We are almost at the cabin. I packed hot chocolate, cookies, and marshmallows. We can drink it by the fire tonight.
And I brought the sleds. Tomorrow we go down the big hill. Who is brave enough to go first?
Me! I'm not scared. I will go so fast.
I'm a little scared, but I will go with Mom. Mom, you will hold me tight, right?
Of course, sweetheart. We will slide together and scream loud. It will be fun.
Look! There is our cabin! The small brown house with smoke coming from the chimney.
We made it.
Wow, it's so pretty and warm.
It's perfect.
All right, family, everybody out! Careful on the steps. There is ice.
Oh no, my shoe is stuck in snow. It's so deep. Help! Wait, Emma, I'm coming. Give me your hand. 1, 2, up. See? You're free.
Thank you, Sam. You're a good big brother today.
Woof, woof, woof! Woof! Max, slow down. You're making a snowstorm.
Let's take the bags inside. Tom, you take the big one. Sam, help with the food box.
Emma, carry the small bag with blankets.
Wow, it feels so nice in here. The fire is perfect.
I asked the owner to start it before we came. Good idea, right?
Yes! Now can we go play in the snow? Please, please!
Yes! I want to make our snowman now.
Okay, but first put on more clothes. Extra socks, 2 hats, thick gloves. Snow is cold.
And drink some water. We don't want anyone to feel sick.
I will make the biggest ball for the body. Look how big it is getting!
I'm making the head. It's round and cute, but it's heavy.
Let me help you, Emma. 1, 2, 3, up! Now put it on top.
Wait. The middle ball is not straight. Let me fix it. There. Now he looks tall and strong.
He needs arms. I will find 2 sticks.
And I will find stones for eyes. Black stones are best.
Max, stop eating the snowman's leg. He will fall down.
Max thinks he is helping. Look at his face, full of snow. He looks like a little snow dog. Max, you are so funny. Come here. I will clean your nose.
Okay, now the carrot nose. I brought the biggest one from home.
Perfect, now the mouth. I will use small stones.
Let's give him my old red scarf. He will look warm.
And Dad's old hat, the funny green one.
Wow, he's so tall.
He looks perfect.
Great job, team.
He's our best one yet.
He's smiling at us. Best day ever.
Okay, new game. Snowball fight. Boys against girls. What do you say?
Yes, we will win.
No way! Girls are better at throwing.
Let's make teams. Me and Emma, you and Sam, Max can be judge.
Okay, we start in 3, 2, 1, go!
Take this, Mom!
Missed. You throw like a baby. I got Sam right on his back.
Ouch, that was cold. Now you get this one.
Bring it on.
Sam, good hit. Look, Emma is hiding behind the tree.
I'm not hiding. I'm making more snowballs. Super big ones.
Emma, throw at Dad. He is open!
Okay, here it comes, Dad.
Oh, you got it, you falling. Ah!
Dad, are you okay?
Yes, but now I'm a snow angel. Help me up.
Okay, time out. My hands are freezing. Me too. My fingers are ice.
Okay, we stop. Girls win.
Yay, girls are the champions.
No, it was a tie. Everyone is cold now.
Who wants to go sledding? The hill is waiting.
Me first. Give me the red sled.
Wait, Sam. Let's see how steep it is. Tom, you go first.
Okay, watch your dad. I'm a pro. Whee! This so fast! Your turn, kids.
My turn. Hold my hat, Mom. Ah, it's so cool. Ah, don't get it!
Mom, I'm scared. It looks very fast.
Don't worry. We go together. Hold my waist tight.
Ready, set, go! Oh my gosh! We are flying! Mom, this is fun!
Yes! Scream with me! Whee!
Again, please, again!
Okay, but this time I go with Max.
Max on sled? Really?
Woof, woof! Hold on, Max! We are going! He loved it! Max is a sled dog now!
He really did. What a good boy.